Okay, folks, solve the equation, check your solution. Hey, Gray, would you remind me of that rule?
Simplify and solve.
Simplify, then solve, right? Okay, so Lou, oh, that's not simplify, that's simply. That's simply, not simply simplify. Simplify, then solve. Okay, that's my rule again. Is there anything I can do to simplify this? Gray?
You could do 6 plus 11.
6 and plus 11. What do I get?
You get 17.
I get 17. So now I've got Z
Over 17.
over 17. Now, Bennett,
Yes.
what's happening between the Z and the 17?
Division.
Division. How do I undo division?
Multiplication.
All right. I need to multiply both sides by 17. Okay. Now, what do I do on the right side, Bennett, in order to multiply?
They cancel out.
Well, wait a minute.
17 over 1.
Okay, let's go ahead and make this a fraction also. And now they cancel out, don't they? And that leaves me with what on the right side, Coolis?
That leaves you with Z.
Good. Now, Cedar, what is 17 times negative 3 so we can figure out what the left side is?
That would be
Okay. Is it 51? Negative 51, because it was a positive times a negative. So negative 51, they asked us to check it, okay? Well, let's plug it in and check it. So I've got negative 3 is equal to parentheses over 6 plus 11, okay? Now, what goes in those parentheses, John D? Negative 51, good. Now, if I want to evaluate, if I want to see if it works, what should I do first here, Gray?
Well, you would follow the rule of operation.
Let's do. What do I get first? What's the first thing I should do?
You can't do anything in a parentheses.
Nope.
There's division.
But you know what, Gray? I do have some grouping symbols
Yeah, you should have to.
because it's a fraction.
simplify.
Yeah, so let's do that. I've got negative 51 on top. What do I have on the bottom?
17.
17. Good. Now, can I do anything to the negative 3, Gray?
You could put it as a fraction.
I can. But let's simplify this stuff on the right over here. What is negative 51 divided by 17?
Negative 51 divided by 17 is.
You can use your calculator and see if we got it right.
Sorry,
That's okay.
Divided by 7.
7. Well, you tell me. Okay.
Negative 3.
Did we get the right answer, Gray?
Yes.
Good.
I
Nice.
would have, from the beginning, left Z on top
Which is what we did.
and just cross and fix the bottom and cross multiply.
And then cross multiply. Good. Next up. Example 7 says, geometry. Find the value of x for the given triangle or rectangle. Well, we have a rectangle here, Lou.
Yes, sir.
Lou, this is something that people make mistakes on all the time. They read right past the directions.
They read perimeter.
They read perimeter when we're looking for area, or they read area when we're looking for perimeter. Okay? What are we looking for in this one?
Area.
Area. And what's the formula for the area of this rectangle? Area is equal to base times height. Now, Lou, let's do this. Let's fill in the values we know. Do we know the area?
Yes, it's 75.52.
75.52. Okay? Casey, do I know the base? What is it? 11.8. And Bennett, do I know the height?
No.
No. So I'm just going to put x in its place. Okay? Now I have an equation. John D, is the variable by itself? It's not. What's happening between the 11.8 and the x? So how do I undo that? I'm going to divide. What do I divide by, Izzy? 11.8, but this is algebra, Coolis. I've got to do it to the other also, okay? So what do I have? What happens on the right side, Lily?
On the right side, they cancel out.
They're going to cancel out, and I'm left with what? X. And Lily, what do I get on the right side?
On the right side, you get
6.4. But is that my final answer, Gray?
No.
What?
6.4 feet.
Thank you, sir. I've got to put my units in there. If they give me units, I need to use them. So x is equal to 6.4 feet, and that's what they asked for. All right. Great job, guys. Study hard.